One hurdle after the other, fulfilled promises made to the Aam Aadmi of Delhi, and also seems firm on delivering on his oath of change. And even if political parties might not admit it, Arvind Kejriwal looks like a certain challenger in 2014.
He echoed the common man's sentiment as he stood up to make a final pitch in the Delhi Assembly ahead of the trust vote. Projecting himself as the Messiah, Arvind Kejriwal delivered this passionate speech.
कि रैन बसेरे में रहने वाला व्यक्ति आम आदमी है, चने और कुलचे बेचने वाला आम आदमी है, चाय की रेडी लगाने वाला आम आदमी है, बिल्कुल वो आम आदमी है। लेकिन शायद भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस देश के अन्य लोगों को आम आदमी नहीं मानती, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी इस देश के मिडिल क्लास के लोगों को भी आम आदमी मानती है। इस देश के हर उस शख्स को आम आदमी मानती है जो इस देश में एक ईमानदार व्यवस्था चाहता है।
Putting the common man on a pedestal, Arvind Kejriwal in his 26-minute speech while reiterating his party's 17 key issues forced political parties into a studied silence.
मेरे इलाके में सरकारी पैसा कहां खर्च होना चाहिए, ये अब इस देश के नेता और अफसर तय ना करें, ये इस देश की जनता तय करे, उस इलाके के लोग तय करें। इसलिए तो हमने आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी थी, इसलिए थोड़ी लड़ी थी कि वो अंग्रेज चले जाएंगे और दूसरे किस्म के लोग आ जाएंगे, इसलिए थोड़ी लड़ी थी कि पहले अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ा करते थे, अब अपने नेताओं के चक्कर काटेंगे।
His first address in the Delhi Assembly, making it clear to the opposition that the man who began his political journey as a novice is slowly becoming a force to reckon with.
चाहे हार नहीं सकती। 4 दिसंबर को और 8 दिसंबर को चमत्कार हुआ, आम आदमी जीत गया। इस देश के आम आदमी की जीत हुई। अध्यक्ष महोदय, पहले मैं भगवान पर यकीन नहीं किया करता था, लेकिन मुझे यकीन हो गया कि भगवान तो है।
But has Arvind Kejriwal's connect with the common man amplified, with political parties fighting a perception battle? With Congress facing immense pressure over Adarsh and Veerbhadra Singh, and BJP being questioned over its move to get Yediyurappa back in its fold, Aam Aadmi Party seems to be emerging as an alternative force ahead of 2014.
Please do not question Mr. Rahul Gandhi's credentials. Mr. Gandhi has not just fought against the ordinance, he has made the Lokpal bill happen. And let me tell you, you please wait and watch. We are working on passing many other legislations, public procurement, whistleblower bills that will make the anti-corruption legislation much more powerful. And I think the Congress party and the UP is doing something about it.
In the present case, there is nothing against Yediyurappa ji, which is a conviction. No, there isn't. Conviction is not there, and that is the law. As
Arvind Kejriwal has struck a chord with his speech, pitching himself as 2014's national challenger. Can the other national parties still overlook Kejriwal's growing popularity, or will they be forced to change their strategy soon? Bureau Report, Times Now.